Alright, I'm here with John Popovich, our second supervisor for ETS. He and Kurt work in the SLC head end a lot, and upon Mark Gezzi's request, we wanted John to show us what to do in case we do a hard reset or a soft reset of the Crestron. John, what do we do?
Well, a lot of times you'll turn on the Crestron and find it just isn't responding right, or the projector won't be responding, or anything else just won't be responding to it. A lot of times it comes up to just a glitch in the logic of the Crestron. The easiest way to get around that is to reboot the Crestron. Alright, there are several ways to do it depending on what's going on. The very first thing to try is just do a software reset. The software reset is the least severe of the resets that we're going to do, and the fastest to do as well. Okay, very first thing to do with a software reset is you need a very special tool. The big pen. Cap off, so you have the point. You go down to the Crestron. Next to the row of lights, you'll see a couple of buttons. And one will be HWR, that's for hardware reset. One will be for SWR, that's for software reset. For a software reset, we're just going to take the pen, put it into the hole, and you'll push it and feel it click. Wait till you hear the relays click in the Crestron, then release it. Okay, that completes the reset. It'll take about a minute for the system to come back up because it will reset the screen. If you go up to the screen, you'll find it's turned off. You'll have to turn it back on because the reset resets everything to 0. Basically, you're starting from scratch. Alright, if you come up with the software reset and find that did not fix your problem, the next best answer is to do a hardware reset. Be aware, hardware resets are dependent on the logic of the system. If the logic of the system is really out of whack, the hardware reset may not happen. Alright, but to attempt a hardware reset, same exact thing for the software reset, except for obviously you're going to use a hardware reset button. Same thing, put your pen in, push until you feel it click, hold it in, and this can take up to 10-15 seconds to happen. Look at that, this one's not going to reset. Okay, this particular what you'll normally see is the screen will black out and the whole system will reboot. This particular case, the system did not do that. Again, it has to do with the logic of the system. When the system fails to reboot, oh, wait a minute, it did just go. Like I said, it takes some time to happen. Alright, but the screen is now flashing for me. The system just reset. And the lights do a little dance and stuff like that. And again, it takes a few minutes for the whole system to come back up. You're going to have to wait for it, and just like a software reset, it leaves you at 0. You're going to have to go back up and turn the screen back on and restart the system. Normally the projector will turn off, normally the whole thing will initialize, so the screen may even fold up on you. Alright, just go up and reset the system, and hopefully the system comes back. If the hardware reset does not work, like I thought it happened here, okay, but if it does not happen, then you're going to do a power reset. You're going to reset the entire rack. Resetting the entire rack is actually a real simple thing to do. It's just go up to the power switch up on top, turn it off. Wait about 10-15 seconds for everything to neutralize itself. Make sure all the power works out, capacitors discharge, and all kind of fun things like that. Once you wait 10 or 15 seconds, you can turn the rack back on. Okay, be aware that some of our racks are dual racks. There are 2 power switches up top. Turn them both off. Alright, when you turn them back on, does not matter the order that you turn them off in or turn them on in. Does not make a difference. Okay, but when you do turn the power off, you're resetting everything, including, remember, these racks have vortexes in them. Alright, those will reset as well, and everything will do its little dance, and everything should come back up and running. Alright, if you're still having problems and the problem lies elsewhere, you're going to have to come and get someone to help you out. But that's basically how you reset a system.